Hello, my lovely friends. Today I'm installing this beautiful unit that was sent over to me from NadulaHair. This color, y'all, is so gorgeous. Like, I'm so excited they came out with this colorway for units, okay? I'm already loving body wave units. I love a good frontal anyways. The density is there. And this color is literally just the icing on the cake. So I'm just going to go ahead and get started with the installation process. So I am taking the unit straight out of the pack. No, I did not wash it. I'm wearing it as is. So I have not done anything to this unit yet. I'm just going to go ahead and get it secured by using my Auburn spray, and I do have a link in my description bar below, so you can save some money on your purchase from Auburn's website and get you some of their hair or wig lace products. All right, y'all, so once I finish getting the wig secured in place, I'm going to move on to styling the unit. So I'm using this Fantasia Firm Hold Spritz hairspray that I'm going to spray on the hair once I start curling it. And I'm using my curling wand. This came from like Target years ago, and I just still have it, and it works wonders. It is a great quality curling wand. So once I get finished curling the hair, I left the front pretty much natural. I haven't curled that part yet because I want to first cut off the lace around my hairline, and then I'm just going to work on the hairline by adding just some ear baby hairs and then parting my hair, as well as plucking it using my hot comb and just getting the hair molded, set in place on how I want to wear it today. And then I'm also going to add some makeup to my parting space as well as around my lace area, just to make everything kind of, you know, look really, really blended and just make it look as natural as it can. So once I get the unit set to how I want it to look, and then I'm going to move back to styling the front of the hair. I am going to cut some layers into it, as well as just adding a little bit of curl at the end, basically giving that really like baddie middle part wig style with some curls at the end and just having some nice layer bangs. And we are done, you guys. I have installed this beautiful chocolate brown. Actually, it's giving a little bit of a red undertone wig. This is a body wave unit, and this wig is giving, okay, it took some customization work, okay? I do not want anyone to think that they're just gonna pop this out of that packaging, plop her on and go, because that is not gonna happen. If you want it to look pretty decent enough to wear, then I am going to tell you that you are most likely going to have to pluck this hairline, like pluck it good, pluck your parting space, and you're going to probably need to tint that lace a little bit. I added a little bit of layers in the front. You'll probably want to go over it with like a curling one or something just to have like some nice curls added. But besides like all of that, for it to be process colored hair, it is very well maintained. Like, it feels really healthy. It has a really nice shine to it. It curled really easily. The cap size is very spacious. So overall, like, really good wig, especially for you to have for a long period of time, I would say. Excuse the noise in the background. They're doing some work outside of my house, so it's pretty loud, so I apologize about that. But yeah, y'all, this unit is giving. Once I plucked it out and did some extra work to it, it looks pretty darn good, okay? Like, I'm here for it. So you guys, make sure you check it out on their website. I will have a direct link there for you guys.